Guys, gotta show you this new Mercedes. It's a camper. Got kind of an alright dash. I don't like foreign crap. But see all them lines? That's where my cruise is set. And then, like right here, people, I'm not even touching the brake or the gas. These people are slowing down. It hits the brake for me. And wherever the red lines are at, that's how fast I should be going, because that's where the cruise is set. It's set at 60. I don't know why it shows 65. But then the red lines basically tell you how fast the person in front of you is going. And then it just takes off. It comes clear to a complete stop for you even. And then as soon as they take back off, it takes back off. Now if it could steer for you, that's great. My car, it's Malibu. It'll actually pull you back into your lane. It's not 100% perfect, but it does all right. But this one, it just shakes the wheel and kind of moves it over. It's kind of pathetic. But no, it's pretty cool how it'll slow you down to a stop and then take back off. But most people like doing 90 mile an hour and a 55, so this does no good for anyone. I'll try to show you when we slow down. You just gotta trust it if you want to play with it. All you do is just set the cruise and then set these buttons are the normal buttons: on, off, up, down, resume, cancel. And then this, it flashes, so I don't know if you can see it, but at the bottom it shows you how far I want to be from that vehicle in front of me. Only thing is, if somebody cuts you off, it's going to slam the brakes. It does it. And going down hills, like if you're going down a mountain, it will actually use the brakes clear down the mountain, and you'll burn your brakes right up. Convertibles. I'll try to get to where it slows down. There, it's going through town for me. That's how fast I want to go. That's how fast the vehicle in front of me is going, with the distance I said for it to be. Can't really show you my feet, the road, and the dash at the same time. Just gotta trust I'm not touching it. Now, if you're coming into a city from 60 mile an hour clear down to 30, it's not very good at that. Just get up to the person and hit it. But if you're out on the interstate, yeah, it'll slow down for you if you come up on traffic. Now that's how fast the car's going in front of me, and I'm actually going faster than it. It is not going to see red lights. Like right here's a red light. Not going to see that. And then as soon as you tap the brake, it goes away. Okay, you're going to get to see it drive. Finally. No foot or gas. It's actually creeping with this guy, but it's not keeping me at the distance that I told it to, because it knows we're at a stop. As long as them things stay red. Now he stopped. Now it stops. Right there. Them lights stay on. My foot's off the brake and gas. So as he moves, he'll move. Oh, he's moving. Let's see if he'll creep up a little bit. Nope. There it goes. Now it's keeping the distance because we're going over like 15 mile an hour or whatever its rule is. If he was to slow down again, it would slow down and stop. It's pretty cool. It's still a pain in the ass though, because somebody cuts you off, it locks up the brakes. If somebody's taking a right, but you can swing around them, it sees the car, so it stops you. It's really hammering down. It's coming in handy now in road construction. Don't even have to touch anything. Just set the distance and how close you want to be to the guy. I found out earlier it does not work with motorcycles. A motorcycle cut me off and it didn't slow down, or it didn't show the little lights saying how fast he was going. And all of this works out of this big display up here, so if it can't see the road, it can't do this. Getting faster and further away. It speeds up. Since we're going so slow, I'm going to make it a bit closer. Since that guy's doing 40, it'll slow me right down to 40. Also, if any of you motorhome people are out there using this, when the wind catches this Mercedes from the side, I think it locks up the brakes on one of the tires to like offset it. I really wish you could shut it off because it's terrifying when it does it. It's not needed. I've driven the CDL campers, which have a system on them to stop crosswind, and they're perfect. I don't know what the heck this thing has, but it sucks. Here, we're gonna slow down and go through all this zigzag. So if you're driving it and it almost jerks you to one side, nothing's wrong, except the person that built that technology needs shot. They're speeding up, getting away. And there it speeds up. Oh.